Back in November, we introduced you to Persistent Systems, a Colorado based company that specializes in mobile ad hoc networking technology. At the time, they had inked a deal with the Air Force Mobility Command to fortify their communication systems. Now, they're taking things a step further with a new piece of hardware, and that's the subject of this week's Comms Check. It's called the Personal Transport 5, or the PT5, and the folks at Persistent Systems say it's the next evolution in connectivity for troops on the ground.
What we're doing is we're adding some hardware to the side of the system so it's backward compatible to all the thousands of systems that are already out there. And what it's doing is it's allowing us to access not only Wi-Fi but also cellular networks for multiple locations, whether it's in the United States or abroad. And that allows us to kind of extend the network that's created by the existing system beyond line of sight and integrated to the cloud. So whether you're connected to the cloud for a government cloud solution or a private cloud solution, now the mesh network is able to access all the data within that cloud.
So walk me through like a real world situation. If I'm a dismounted soldier and I have this radio, I can take over an aerial drone at that point. If it's connected to the system, I can have access to it. Is that right?
Absolutely. Whether it's in the air, ground, swarming weapons, all of the technology now is part of its same network, and you're able to interact with the data coming off of it. You're able to provide AI enhanced features to it with data fusion and course corrections and different types of applications that can exist. And it all happens real time, very low latency and high throughput with a lot of scale. So hundreds of thousands of nodes all at the same time now connected.
The PT5 is the latest example of how Persistent Systems is working to meet the needs of each branch of the U.S. military as they continue to modernize and prepare for America's next conflict.
Especially as a non-traditional contractor, our goal is to outpace requirements, outpace the needs, the EW environment, everything. So we're constantly moving. We have teams out all over, engineering resources that are collecting information from all the different services depending on where they're operating, whether it's an unmanned system, manned system, anywhere in the world, the cloud interactions, the AI portions of that. So yeah, every few months something's coming out with new features,